In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Great Are You Lord by all sons and daughters with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Carmody from leadingworshipwell.com, and today we're looking at the song Great Are You Lord by all sons and daughters. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here so you know what arrangement you're going to be learning in this video. But other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro of the song, and there's just one thing that I want to show you before I play it. We're going to be playing this A chord right here. But to get there, we're going to be sliding up from the 9th fret of the D string up to the 11th fret to get to that chord. So it'll sound something like this. But other than that, this is what it sounds like. That's the intro. Let's go into verse 1. Here we are in verse 1, and once again, pretty simple chords. This is how we're going to play it. You give life, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. Great are you, Lord. So in that verse, we're kind of playing this B suspended, and anytime you want, you can release it to just a B major. So you saw me do that a couple times. That's the only tip I have for verse 1. Let's move into chorus number 1. Here we are in chorus number 1, and we're going to be playing those chords that we played at the beginning. It'll sound something like this. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise, we pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. Hang on that A, going into verse 2. Into verse 2. Here we are in verse 2. We're going to be building up the energy a little bit more, so we're switching from the chords up here to chords down here, and it sounds like this. You give life, you are love, you bring light to the darkness, you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. Great are you, Lord. Into chorus number 2. Here we are in chorus number 2. It actually repeats twice, so we're going to be using some different chord shapes in the first half than we do in the second half. You can find those right here as I play along. This is what it sounds like. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. Pour out our praise, it's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise, we pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. Into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge, and this bridge is all about building it up as we work our way through. So there's a bunch of different chord shapes. Remember, we're coming out of the chorus, so this is what it sounds like coming out of the chorus. There's actually a little instrumental interlude here that I'll show you too. So, to you only. the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry, these bones will sing. Great are you, Lord. Palm mute here. And all the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry, these bones will sing. Great are you, Lord. Making it big now. And all the earth will shout your praise. Our hearts will cry, these bones will sing. Great are you, Lord. Into the final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus, and we're coming into it really loud from that bridge. So we're going to play through the chorus one time really loud with big chord shapes, and then we're going to back it off to sing it the last time quietly. It sounds like this. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs. We pour out our praise to you only. And on A. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song Great Are You Lord by All Sons and Daughters with just you and an acoustic guitar. Once again, my name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post practical worship leading tips every single day. So if you want to find those tips, head over to Instagram or Facebook at Leading Worship Well. I'd love to connect with you over there. But other than that, until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.